ఆమెకి ఎలా మాట్లాడాలో తెలియదు. She doesn't know how to speak. She doesn't know how to speak. నేను నీ చెంప పగలగొడతాను. I will slap you. I will slap you. నా షర్ట్ ఉతుకు. Wash my shirt. Wash my shirt. ఆమె ఇంటి దగ్గర లేదు. She is not at home. She is not at home. ఆమె మార్కెట్కి వెళ్ళింది. She has gone to the market. She has gone to the market. నువ్వు నాతో వస్తావా? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? నేను నిన్ను నమ్మను. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. నేను నిజమే మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. I speak the truth. I speak the truth. నేను అబద్ధం చెప్పను. I do not tell a lie. I do not tell a lie. అతడిని చూడకు. Don't look at him. Don't look at him. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to Learn English with Hasini. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.